Stop letting potential clients slip through your fingers because your online presence is weaker than your last cup of coffee. Today, we're building a Realtor website that turns online browsers into eager buyers and sellers. First, website design. Choose a clean, modern template that screams professionalism, not Geocities circa 1998. Think user-friendly navigation and mobile responsiveness. Why most people search on their phones. Next, content is king. Craft compelling property descriptions highlighting unique features and local amenities. Ditch the generic jargon and focus on painting a vivid picture of the lifestyle each property offers. Don't forget high-quality photos and virtual tour. Now, let's talk SEO. Search engine optimization. Research relevant keywords potential clients are actually searching for. Why think homes for sale downtown or family homes with gardens. Strategically weave these keywords into your website content, page titles, and image alt tags. Claim and optimize your Google My Business profile. This free listing appears in local search results and maps, making it easier for clients to find you. Include accurate contact information, business hours, and client testimonials. Finally, integrate your website with your social media platforms. Share your listings, blog posts, and market updates to drive traffic and build your brand. Remember, consistency is key, so post engaging content regularly. Implement these strategies, and watch your website become a lead-generating machine, transforming you from a struggling agent to a real estate rockstar. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate marketing tips. Good luck.